Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change SIM card icon on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to connections, okay, click or tap the connections. And okay guys, here in connections, okay, you can see the SIM card manager. Okay, you'll have to do is click or tap the SIM card manager. And okay guys, here in SIM card manager, okay, you can see the SIM 1 and the SIM 2. And okay guys, for my example, I changed the SIM card 1 or SIM 1 icon, okay. So okay, you'll have to do is tap the SIM 1. And okay guys, okay, here you can see the icon. And okay guys, select icon to distinguish SIM card. And okay guys, you'll have to do is select or tap the icon. And the pop-up are show. And okay guys, now here you can see the list of icon here. And okay guys, so okay, you can select one icon to set to your SIM 1. And okay guys, so for my example, I set into heart. Okay, I select heart icon, and after you select the icon, okay, you'll have to do is click or tap the OK button. And okay guys, okay, go back to see if the icon is changed. Okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the SIM card icon on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.